6 reasons why your car won't start. Now, at one other stage, we've all been there. On today's episode, we're going to share the 6 basic reasons that you need to green tick first before you start panicking. Next to me, the very calm and cool Anna-Marie Meyer and Eddie Magane.
Sure. Thank you.
Let's start with some value. Reason number 1, the most obvious one, a dead battery.
Click, click, click sound. Phone a friend. No, not yet. You're going to hear that sound.
Yeah.
There's just nothing.
Yeah.
You'll know it's a dead battery. Flashing lights. There's no lights on your dashboard. Or even if you try to start, it's just going to blink.
Yes.
That is the sign for a dead battery.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Sure.
Reason number 2, a bad alternator.
Yeah. So like any other appliance, your car battery needs to be charged. So the charger in this case on a car is called an alternator.
Yes, okay.
Just to make it easy for everyone. So should you have an alternator that's not working, that would mean your battery doesn't charge then. Then signs that you can see is lights, interior lights on the vehicle. They might start bright and slowly, they go a bit dimmer. So you will eventually lose power in the entire car, but yes, you might need to check your alternator.
But there is telltale signs and maybe even a warning light.
Yes.
But if it undercharges, there's definitely telltale signs.
There will be signs. An engine light is most likely also to come on there.
Okay, and this next one, we've sent probably 150 technicians to people's homes to go and find out that the vehicle was either not in neutral or the clutch wasn't engaged with some of these new vehicles, or my favorite, the car was still in drive, an automatic car.
Yeah, an automatic.
And the customer phones
will
down,
not
I'm
stop.
panicked, the car doesn't stop.
Yeah.
It needs to be in park if it's an automatic, and if it's a manual, most of the new cars, you have to press the clutch right till the bottom, otherwise the vehicle won't start. So just before you panic, make sure that that's done. Number 4, faulty fuse.
Well, a fuse will directly link, because a specific fuse can be one lights something else. So do a fuse link to a battery. So just make sure it's inside, it's normally in a booklet, it's not easy accessible always, but a faulty fuse can be. So check the easier things, but it can be.
Absolutely. Number 5, dead key, FOB battery.
Yeah, so your key needs to communicate with the car. And how does that happen? The key uses a battery.
Yes.
Should the battery be flat, the key cannot send a signal to the vehicle.
Yes, sir.
So there won't be a connection, then the car won't start.
Absolutely.
The newer cars will let you know there's a problem,
there
luckily.
is a
Luckily,
sign,
definitely. And number 6, this is my favorite, not enough fuel. So many a time a customer has phoned me and said, you know what, Bobs, I'm very upset. This car doesn't start. I said, okay, really? Just crank it. And then you can hear that engine is spinning quick. Quick. Is there fuel? Yeah. Is the light on? Yeah, but it came on recently. Please, ma'am, just throw in some fuel. Phones me. Sorry, it was fuel.
Yeah.
Or sometimes the fuel gauge can be faulty. It's showing half tank, but it got stuck there 2 weeks ago. And it's probably empty. So check your fuel. Make sure that the fuel light is not burning, because if it is been burning for a couple of days, it's most probably fuel.
Know your distance.
Know your distance. And don't be that guy. I know my car, bro. I know my car. So don't be that guy. Make sure that that warning light, it's actually a warning light. It doesn't come on. If you found value in this episode, please do leave us a comment, as well as a like button.
And please subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, remember to ring the bell.
Thank you very much. Take care and have yourselves a beautiful day. Bye-bye.